Hey everyone. So I've been watching everybody try their string technique, so I thought I would give it a try. I haven't done it yet. This is going to be a first. Oh, I forgot my wipe. So I'm going to use 2 sheets of violet. I have a light and a regular. I'm going to sit for this because I don't want to bend that far. I'm tired. So I'm going to lay my white down first. It's fun to watch everybody do these. I just never tried it. I thought I have these nice 4x12 canvases. That would be cute. Inexpensive pieces of art, huh? I haven't been doing too many things that I'd have to resin because it's still too chilly in here to resin yet. So I've just been doing stuff I can varnish. If it gets too chilly out here, I can take a few in the house and do a few at a time. But it was beautiful the other day. I did 25 paintings and got them done and got the tutorial done, and it was fun. Okay, so I'm going to be pulling towards me, so you're going to see it upside down. But when I get it done, I'll show it to you. I just bought some cotton twine. I've had it forever, when everybody first started doing them. So I cut my strands about maybe 16 inches. And my paint has silicone in it, so I just thought it'd be interesting. And I don't want to soak it all the way in. I want to leave an end. And I'm scraping against my popsicle stick as I'm coming out, so I don't drip. Okay. Here goes nothing. It's gonna drip over there though. So I want to kind of go different ways. Okay. We're pulling. Oh, look at that, a cute little flower. It's pretty. It's pretty. I'll squeeze that out and use it again. I think I'll use my fingers this time. I'm sorry. My cat was meowing at the door a minute ago, and I told him to go to the front door. Okay. Guess I should let that sit for a minute because I took some of that paint off. It's fun. Yeah, this didn't have enough paint on it. So we're going to go right over top of that one again. I guess I shouldn't squeeze the paint out. Okay, try it again. This is messy. Oh, come on. It didn't come out as pretty as the first one either. That's okay. I'm going to put a light purple one in between them. So if you've done these and you have a video, leave it in the comments. I would love to come and watch it. I love flower things. Okay. I'm going to put that one right here. This one's probably not going to be dark enough. Of course, your first one's always the best. Well, that sure is different. Yep, let me flip it around so you can see it. So there's a new little hobby you can have, playing with string and paint. Another little tutorial type thing for you, for all you beginners. But I probably should have just stayed with one and did big loops. I could actually scrape that off and try it. Let's see. I'll go this way. Handy dandy free credit cards in the mail. Actually, this is a $100 off wine voucher. Oh no! Okay, so we'll try it again. So this time I'm gonna do a heavy duty one in the middle. And I'm not worried about my sides. I can touch those up later. Come on, white. My mail lady's out there. I didn't get any packages this week. Well, I take it back. Yes, I did. They're probably wondering if I'm sick or something, because I usually have quite a few. That and my son, oh my goodness, he's doing that. I don't know, I think I call it intermittent fasting, where you eat for 12 hours a day, but you watch your calories. He's doing really good. He's lost like 17 pounds. And, I mean, he's not fat, so, but he wants to get buffed up. I guess it's just something kids his age do. I mean, he's not young. He's 27. So, I might have to try that. But it's funny, every night for dinner, he'll come out and say, "What's for dinner?" And he's got his phone in his hand, and he's ready to count his calories before he eats. Then I feel bad if I make something and I don't know how many calories it has. So I'm just doing a big one. I like my fingers here. I would imagine the thicker the string you use, the better these would come out too. Plain and simple. See, now I like that, and if it spreads out, I'll even like it more. Let me flip it around so you can see it. But you could do, I have 3 of these little canvases that come together. You could do 3 of these and hang them together on a wall. Very simple. You could probably cut some strings. Let's do that. I don't have to cut them, I can just do them from here. We'll make some little leaves here. Flip her back around. I always have green. So what I want to do is fold the string in half, and I'm just going to dip this little bit here. And I'm just going to pull some leaves in. Maybe a little more. I'm going to have paint all over me before the end of the day. Okay. So what I want to do is just lay this here. And then just pull it. Just like that. Just like that. I've got paint on my arm. I'm going to be a hot mess. So we'll do one more on the other side. What a cute gift for Mother's Day, huh? You could even do this with your kids. Be a cute kids project. I don't like the way that one ended on the bottom there. I'm going to try it again. Okay. Just like that. Plain and simple. And you could put a couple more leaves at the bottom. But I would just do one single flower like that. It's pretty. So yeah, something new to try, guys, instead of pouring all the time. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. The more shares you get, the better. Brings more people here and gives me lots of ideas. So if you have questions, you can leave them below. If you're looking for a product or you want more detailed explanation, contact me through Facebook, and my Facebook page is Christina Welch Art. So I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.